Hi guys, and welcome to episode 15 of Making Dev Work by DecaDoesRust. In this episode, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of get some sort of like a case select statement, but not case select because it's Rust. It's something like match in Rust. So we're going to set up for that so that we can actually compare the guess with the secret. So I'll have a quick look on the actual page for that. Okay, so let's go up here. Okay, comparing guesses, here we go. So on this we've got our input, we've done the random number, it says what the secret number was, now input your guess goes there, takes in the line, that does all that, and then we add this, match. Now a couple of things have changed here. We've got a use CMP ordering, and we've got an actual match statement with a few different orders. Ordering is an enum, you know, like an enumerator in C and C++. So ordering literally has three states: less, greater than, or equal to. So it's kind of like going to be going, okay, if it matches to less, then too small. If it matches to greater, then too big. If it matches to equal, then you win. So it prints based upon whatever the match is, which is kind of, like I said, it's kind of like a select case or a switch case, depending on what language you're used to using. Anyway, let's have a look what it says. A few bits here. First, use, we bring in nested comp ordering into the scope. Then 5 new lines at the bottom that we use. The CMP method can be called on anything that can be compared. So I'll presume it's like a memory comparer or something like that. Determining exactly what kind of ordering is the ordering is an enum, like I said. Short for enumeration, which looks like this. That's an example of an enum. Pretty much the same in most languages, enums. With the definition, anything food can either be bar or baz. That's fine. Ordering an enum has three possible variants: less, equal, greater. The match statement takes the value of the type and lets you create an arm for each possible value. Since we have three types of ordering, we have three arms. If less, we print too small. If greater, too big. If equal, you win. So basically, it's just pretty much said what I was saying there. Now, it doesn't compile because there's a few issues with it by the look on it, but we'll get to them when we actually get to them. I'm not going to spoil it and read all that. So we'll go through the process because obviously part of the process is going to be debugging. Right, so what was the bits that we need to add? We need to add a use statement. It was std, was it CMP? I'll have another look at that in a sec to find out whether that's correct. It may have been CMP ordering, yeah, ordering as well. Okay. So ordering must be a trait or a scope for a trait. Okay, so we've got our use. Just put that there. Let's have a look. So at the end of this part, we'll do a match. Was it just literally match and then what we want to match? Double check that, because it's probably something completely different now after I've said that. Oh yeah, we're matching on guess secret number. Well, secret in my. So matching on .cmp. Oh, sorry, it's a reference as well actually. Reference to secret. Okay, so we now do our enum arms. So ordering less, ordering greater, and ordering equal. All capitals. doing a space. And it uses an equals arrow operator, not a plus arrow operator. That's an accent. Going to get lots of typos in this, to be fair. Right. So if it does, then we do print line macro too low. And let's just, I don't know whether it'd be quicker to just copy and paste and then just change it or what, but yeah, too high and you win. Right, so we've got our comparison stuff there, so let's save that. Now I'm going to go straight into trying to compile it and see what errors we get. So I'll clear the screen and do a cargo build and see what we get. Right, I think this is more of a right, I do actually think that may need to be a comma, you know. That's just me in a typo, I think. Just double check it literally. Blah blah blah, yeah, comma, not semicolon. I'm just that used to C that I'm kind of ending the bits with them. So these are commas. Don't know if it needs a comma or anything at the end of that, so I'm going to double check that as well. Yep, still needs a comma at the end for some reason. It's a bit strange, but okay. Like I say, I'm still getting used to the actual parsing and stuff for these things. Let's get rid of the one error now. So that's my typo error. Hopefully you should get rid of now. Cargo build. There we go. So now all it's doing, it's saying expected to struct. A string was found in underscore variable. No, expected type std string. Found type integer. So we need to cast something by look on it. That's before I've actually read anything to do with it, but what I can see here that it's a type issue. Let's have a look. Where are we? Let me guess string. So that's saying that's a string, and the actual guess is there. The random number is a number, so we're comparing a number to a string, which obviously the actual bytes aren't going to look anywhere near the same, even if they are the same number. So let's take a look at the actual write-up and see what it says. We've got past this. Here we go. Error. It's given the same error. Mismatch type. Trust is a strong static type system. It also has type inferenced. One sec. Okay, type inference even. I had the mic a bit too close to me, so it was still whistling. I'll do certain words. Okay, let guess string. The flow to infer that guess should be a string, and so it doesn't make us write out the type without a sequence number. There's a number types with no value and 32. Two more lines. Here's a new program. Let's look at this. Right. We're now redoing guess as a U32. Okay. So this is how we must be casting in Rust. That's how you do types, isn't it? I saw that somewhere else. Okay, so guess colon space and type. So it's a U32. Okay, unsigned 32-bit integer, then that'll be or something like that. So it's going to guess, it's going to trim. That's probably doing the same as a C sort of trim, or C++ trim. So it's literally getting rid of white space and stuff, presumably. And parse probably just tells it to parse it as a U32. Yeah, so if it's not a number, it's doing the same sort of quitting, pretty much like a rage quit sort of thing. Okay, so I'll add that. Did we do this? This was mutable anyway, wasn't it? What was it? Let's double check. No. Yeah, that's mutable, that's fine. So it's just here. Let gas U32. So we're saying it's a U32 equals to. Can't we just do it equal to get? No, if we do it equal to guess, it's going to have some right garbled stuff if it's got spaces or a new line character, isn't it? So let's take another look at this, how they did that. Guess.trim.parse. So let's try that. Guess.trim.parse. I think it had a .expect as well, but we'll do that on a new line like it has here. Let's do the same sort of thing that I've done. Cast guess as a unsigned 32-bit int and trim the white space. This is just how I see it as for me to understand it. Panic on failure. Save that. I'll check if there's anything else to add to this on here. That stayed the same, everything else stayed the same, didn't it? Yeah, literally we just added that. That's pretty cool actually. That's just reusing the same variable name. That's pretty cool. As the shadow previous guess, the new one. And something what we want to convert to U32 shadow, and let's reuse the guess name rather than focusing on. So I'd say rather than focusing on. Yeah, that's fine. Let's double check. If we type 5 and hit return, guess what we start this 5. Yeah, so it is literally to get rid of any extra bit streamers. Parse method on strings, passes a string into some kind of a number, so that's good. So it is literally as I said anyway, that's fine. So it is fairly straightforward to actually understand. So I'm going to actually give that a go and see how it works. And see if I've done any typos or anything. Save that again, and go here. Just going to do a cargo build stuff, we'll see if we get any errors. Doesn't look like there's any errors, so I'm just doing cargo run. Guessing game, obviously the number, to get the correct number, it's going to be 20. I'm not going to do that, I'm going to do 12. Too low. Okay, let's try it again. 74. I'm going to guess 100.